Hi everyone, welcome to our step-by-step guide on scheduling a Zoom meeting using Gmail Google Calendar. In today's fast-paced world, staying connected is most important than ever, and Zoom makes it easy to bring people together. Whether for work or personal gatherings, before we dive in, make sure you have installed Zoom browser extension in your browser and you are logged in with your Zoom account. After that, you will be able to schedule a Zoom meeting. Before proceeding, make sure you have liked and subscribed ITBK. So let's go ahead and see that if you want to schedule a Zoom meeting in Gmail, you can log into your Gmail and go to calendar from here. If you want to go directly to Google Calendar, you can go to calendar.google.com. So once I am in Google Calendar, once I am in Google Calendar and I want to schedule a Zoom meeting, let me show you. Let's go to create event, and here if I go to more option, I'm not getting any option to schedule a Zoom meeting. For this, what we will do, we will go to new tab and we will type Zoom extension for Chrome. Let's go to Zoom Chrome extension and we have to add this extension to our Chrome browser in order to get Zoom meeting scheduled with our Gmail account. So once you have installed this extension like I did, just go ahead and sign in with your Zoom account. Don't worry if you have basic or pro Zoom account, you will be still able to schedule a Zoom meeting with your free or pro account. So I have installed Zoom extension here. Let's go ahead and I wanna add this extension in the browser. You can see I am logged in with my email account into Zoom extension. Let's go back in the Google Calendar. Let's close this here and let's refresh the calendar so that calendar will pick up our Zoom extension as well as the Zoom account. Now let's go to create. You want to create an event. Once I go to creating an event, now you can see here that make it a Zoom meeting or more option. First, let's go ahead and see make it a Zoom meeting. Once I will click make it a Zoom meeting, it make a Zoom meeting for me directly here with a meeting code and ID. Let's go ahead and delete this event. Again, go on create, click on event, click on more option. Now here you have more setting to set up a Zoom meeting for you. Let's say title demo meeting. Let's change the timing 11:30 to 12:30. That's fine. You can change the time zone. You can click on here, make it a Zoom meeting. This will give you the Zoom link, right? If you want to add any other details in your meeting details, you can add it here. And let's see, we will also add attendees to our this Zoom meeting. Here we can add the guest. Like if you want to add more people in your meeting, you can add like this and then go ahead and save this meeting, and now we are ready to send this meeting to all the guests as well. Let's go ahead and click on send. So that's it about today's simple, quick and to the point tutorial on how to schedule a Zoom meeting using Gmail and Google Calendar. So that's simple. First you have to install the Zoom extension and then you have to log in to this Zoom extension. Once you are logged in into your Zoom extension, then you will be able to find the option to schedule a Zoom meeting in your Gmail or you can say in Google Calendar. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITBK. Take care. Bye.